Hello students, in this video I will explain about metals and non-metals. Students, you are familiar with a number of materials like iron, aluminium, copper, etc. Can you name the material which are metals? Metals can be distinguished from non-metals on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. Physical properties of metals and non-metals. You know that the shape of iron nail and the aluminium wire changed on beating. If they were beaten harder, then could be changed into sheet. You might be familiar with the silver foil used for decorating sweets. You must also be familiar with the aluminium foil used for wrapping food. The property of the metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability, and this is characteristic property of metals. As you must have noticed, material like coal and pencil lead do not show this property. With the help of this activity, we can say metals are malleable. When we hammer metals, they are converted into thin sheets. Next physical property is conductivity. By making an electric circuit, we can check whether the electricity can pass through an object or not. You observe that iron rod, nail, and copper wires are good conductors, while rolled sulfur piece and coal piece are poor conductor. Through this, we can come to know that which of the metals are poor conductor and which are good conductors. Physical properties of metals. Metals are solid except mercury. Metals are hard except lithium, potassium, and sodiums. Metals have metallic luster, shine. Metals are malleable, can be beaten into thin sheets. Metals are ductile, can be drawn into wires. Metal have high melting point. Gallium and cesium have low melting point. They melt in the palm of the hand. Metals have high boiling point. Metals are good conductor of heat. Best conductor are silver and copper. Poor conductor are lead and mercury. Metals are good conductor of electricity. Best conductor are silver and copper. Metals are sonorous. They produce sound when beaten. Chemical properties of metals. Reaction with oxygen. You are familiar with the phenomena of rusting of iron. You had learned that in both the processes, oxide formation takes place. Rusting is a result of reaction between iron, oxygen and water. Corrosion is damage caused to metals due to reaction of metal with oxygen, moisture and carbon dioxide, etc. For example, formation of brown coating of rust over iron, formation of green coating of basic copper carbonate over copper, formation of black coating of silver sulfide over silver. We can show that air and moisture are necessary for the rusting of iron. If you take 3 test tubes, mark them 1, 2, 3. Put iron nail in each of them. Put some anhydrous calcium chloride in test tube 1 to absorb moisture. Pour some boiled distilled water in test tube 2 and pour some oil over it to prevent air into the test tube. Pour some water in test tube 3. Cork the test tube and leave them for a day. The nail in the test tube first does not get rusted because it had only air, no water. The nail in test tube 2 does not rust because it had only water, no air. The nail in test tube 3 gets rusted because it has air and water. Collect a spoonful of rust and dissolve it in very little amount of water. You will find that the rust remains suspended in water. Shake the suspension well. Test the solution with red and blue litmus paper. What do you observe? Is the solution acidic or basic? From this activity, you can come to know that metal oxides are basic in nature. Physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals may be solid, liquid or gases. Solids like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Liquid like bromine, gases, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. Non-metals are soft except diamond, which is hardest natural substance. Non-metals do not have luster except iodine crystals. Non-metal are not malleable. Non-metal are not ductile. Non-metals, which are solids and liquids, have low melting points. Non-metals, which are solid and liquid, have low boiling points. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Non-metals are bad conductor of electricity except graphite. Non-metals are not sonorous. In next video, I will explain about chemical properties of metals and non-metals. In next video, I will explain about chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Thank you, students.